Hi, my name is Adwait and today I'm going to make a step counter app. So let's begin. First, we'll add 3 buttons. Now, we go to screen 1, change the align horizontal and the align vertical as center. We change the text for button 1 as start, button 2 as reset and button 3 as stop. Now we add 2 labels. We rename the label 1 as 0 and label 2 as steps. We change the font size of label 1 and label 2 as 30. Now we add a pedometer from sensor. It is a non-visible component, so it would be visible below the phone. Now we go to blocks. We go to button 1. We add when button 1 click, button 2 when button 2 click and button 3. Now we go to pedometer 1 and take when pedometer 1 simple steps do. We again go to pedometer 1, take a reset block. Reset is the button 2. As you can see, when I click on reset button, it is going to button 2, so it is button 2. We again go to pedometer 1 and take stop. When button 3 click do, call pedometer stop. Again go to pedometer and take start. Now we go to label 1 and take set label 1 dot text 2 simple steps. Again we go to label 1, take set label 1 dot text and we drag it in when button 2 click do. We go to math and add a 0 block. So our program is done. Now you can test it. Thank you.
So after walking few steps, you can see the steps are increasing over here. When I stop it, it stops counting step, and when I reset it, it changes back to 0.